Did you miss me? I think some of you did, according to my emails. I want to thank you for joining me and for sticking with me. And I have great news for you. Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for staying with me. I was gone for about 11-12 days because these things went... I had a flare-up and I was not trying to resort to medication, and I tried to tough it out and use my brain power. And if you look up top, my gold Power Ranger that you sent me, I was trying to channel his power and saying, go, go, Power Ranger. And no, it wasn't working. I had my Oshun right there. I had all my Loveys here, all my Sugar Skull, my Laffy Taffy, everybody that sent me my gifts. I was channeling y'all. And it got to the point where I said some choice words, gave in and took my medication, and I'm alive. Since I am alive and I can move my hands again and my fingers, first thing I did was shower, because y'all know that when my hands are stiff, I can't do nothing. I can't crochet. I can't even open a bottle of water when I'm hurting. I have to hold the water like this. I can't grip. I use my palms and I twist the cap open. And then same way, when I want to open the doorknob, I twist the doorknob like that, because my hands don't work. That's why I get so depressed and I cannot make videos when I am in full flare-up mode, because yarn is life. Crochet is my therapy. It keeps me calm and mellow. Anything yarn related brings me so much joy. But when I'm fully flared and these hands are not cooperating with everything else, it depresses me, because I'm unable to create. Everything that I see and hear, I can't use my hands to make something beautiful, because the pain is so stinking unbearable that it's blocking all the happy senses, all the creative tinctures. So I gave in, folks. I mean, I'm sorry. I did all the holistic stuff, the vitamins. I drink all day water. I am not a soda person. I don't drink alcohol. So I'm back. As we said last time, I don't know how long it's gonna last, so we're gonna take advantage today. And I'm gonna show you, and I'll present to you what I have today, because my good friends started love. My friends started love darn good yarn. They reached out to me this morning and they were like, hey Z, we hope you're feeling well, and we just want to let you know that we have something special for your subscribers. And I was like, say what? I don't know if I can use it, but I would jump on it if I were you. And all you have to do is text the number down below. The information will be right here. You text that number and you enter the word good, and you will get $10 off your purchase. Anything you want to buy. Anything. $10 off. Most of the stuff is like 10 bucks that I like. Just saying. Right? Are you with me? Are you with me? No? $10, folks. You saved $10. Get on this. I don't know how long it's going to last. I got the email this morning. I'm making the video ASAP. That just gave me the little bit of energy that I needed to start pumping you up and be like, oh, can you feel the power? I feel it. Speaking of, I get this in the mail, and I'm like, well, we need to make a video, Big Daddy. Please don't forget, text the number down below. I'm going to have it here at the bottom. You text this number, you enter that word, and you will receive $10 off your purchase. And I also have a link in my description box. It'll take 15% off your total purchase. Not sure if you can combine the two, but if you can, I'm just saying, savings all around. All around. So let's get to the goodies, shall we? Okay, we opened it. We opened her. We opened her. This is the Sock of the Month Club, I believe. Indigo Coil, I think. Let's do this. Am I gonna like it? Is it blue? What do you think? Lord is on my side. Thank you, Jesus. This is called, it's a super fine, like me. Color 003. Oh, for Pete's sake. I just rip open the boxes, y'all. Y'all. Here. Right there. You see them? I love this yarn. I love darn good yarn. I don't know how many times I've told y'all, I love darn good yarn. I do. This is 130 yards, each ball, 75% superwash merino, extra fine 25% nylon. And here's how the socks work up. If you want to make socks, as y'all know with my last purchase, I made a shawl, a beautiful shawl. And I made a cup cozy, and I made the Yolanda Soto-Lopez shawl. You don't have to just make socks. I'm just saying, you can make anything you want. You can make a beanie with this. Oh, can you imagine the colors? Oh, thank you, darn good yarn. Oh, here you go. The little booklet will tell me the color. It's electric neon. Oh, yeah. Don't forget, there's more than just Yarn of the Month Club. There's Yarn of the Month, Bead of the Month, Fabric of the Month, and Mystery Skirt of the Month. My link is down below. Always, you can click on it, get 15% off. And don't forget, text this number and insert that word right here in this box and receive $10 off your purchase. Just saying, Big Daddy. I'm just saying, because if I could do it, I'm an affiliate. I don't know if I can, but if I could, it would. Because I love darn good yarn. Let's see what else we got. We got a green box. This is my Yarn of the Month Club. There are a few tiers, I believe, in this. If you click on my link, it'll take you directly to their site and they will let you know. I get it for the year. You can get it every month. You can get it for a couple months. It's your choice. I've been getting this for about 2 years and I love it. From the first time I got it, I came home from work. I'll put that video actually at the end of this video. The very first box I ever got, and I was just screaming for joy. I could not believe it. I mean, I was ecstatic. So there you go. Oh, I didn't let y'all see first. Is there blue? Am I gonna like it? Ooh. Well, first let's look at the yarn. This is Sport Weight Silk. It's called Confetti. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at the little pops of color. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see what it. Let's see here. You look, and I'll read. It is a 200 yards. It's a number 2. 50 grams. Watercolors. Isn't that cute? Look at those pops of color. I love it. I love it a lot. Oh, I love this teal. Oh my God, it's talking to me. See, it's beautiful. It shows you how it's being made. And then it says your free gift is a spring floral cotton fat quarter. Ooh, that's nice. That can be for the inside of a bag. Pretty, pretty. Now, when you order Darn Good Yarn, like I did, you always have the option of ordering extras at a discounted price. A very, very low discounted price. I took advantage of that because every month is different. I went ahead and ordered this, which is the Chakra Bracelet. These are the black lava stones that you can go ahead and you can put a little bit of scented oil on it, and then it has the little lotus. You can see the lotus on it. Ordered 2 mystery yarns. So the first one, oh, the first one is, it's a mystery, all right. There's no labels on it. Nicole, there's no labels. I don't know what they are. They're chunky. They have no odor, people. I know that's everybody's thing. Does it smell? No. You would see me doing this. Nope. There's no odor. It's a beautiful little chocolate and a beautiful, like a burnt orange. Maybe over here? There you go. Those are the colors. Kind of matches my wall. That matches my curtain. These are my bedroom colors. Maybe make a little matching pillow for my bed. But there you go, guys. And I think that is all. Yes, that is all. Darn Good Yarn. I'm digging these. Ay, ay, ay. Neon. Electric neon? Is that what it's called? Electric neon, y'all. Electric neon. I used 4.5 of these to make the Yolanda Soto Lopez poncho. I'm probably going to order some more of this because I want to make another poncho in this. This will look incredible. I thank you guys for liking and subscribing and for sharing. Thank you for sticking around and holding out, waiting to see me. And thank you for my, where are you? Are you okay? I'm okay today. Whew. Those were like 12 days of hell. But we made it. And don't forget, there is a link here. Text that number and enter that word, and you get a code for $10 off your purchase. Get on that while you can, because I know a lot of people will be like, hey, I just saw your video and it expired. And I told y'all, as soon as I got the email, I ain't trying to play. I get good information, I gotta pass it to y'all immediately. Because I want y'all to be as excited as I am and be like, see, look, see, we're twinsies, ah! Because I love that. Thank you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Arrivederci, started love you long time.